Most people jump into reward sites expecting easy money, then get confused when the earnings don't match their expectations. Here's the truth no one tells you. InboxDollars and Swagbucks look similar, but they work very differently behind the scenes, and that difference decides how much you actually earn. In this video, you will learn a full honest comparison between InboxDollars and Swagbucks in 2026, including how they pay, which one earns faster, and which platform is actually worth your time. Let's start simple. Both apps let you earn rewards by completing small online tasks like surveys, watching videos, playing games, and trying offers. On the surface they look almost identical. If Alex signs up for both, he will see similar dashboards at first glance. But here's where it gets interesting. Swagbucks has a much larger ecosystem of earning options. You can switch between surveys, cashback shopping, search rewards, and games. InboxDollars is more focused on direct tasks like reading emails, surveys, and watching ads. Now let's talk about earning speed. Swagbucks usually pays faster because it gives you more ways to stack points. You are not locked into one type of task. That means if one area is slow, you can switch instantly. InboxDollars feels more structured, but sometimes slower because you rely heavily on surveys and fixed offers. But here's the problem. Many users assume InboxDollars is easier just because it looks simpler. In reality, simplicity can limit your earning potential if you are not getting enough high-paying tasks. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Survey availability plays a huge role. Both platforms depend on your location and profile. So Jake in one region might see high-paying surveys on Swagbucks, while another user sees better offers on InboxDollars. That means results can vary a lot. Let's compare payout methods. Swagbucks offers PayPal Cash, gift cards, and discounts across many retailers. InboxDollars also pays through PayPal and gift cards, but usually requires a higher minimum cash-out threshold before you can withdraw. That brings us to withdrawal speed. Swagbucks generally allows quicker redemption at lower amounts, while InboxDollars may take longer to reach the payout threshold. Now let's talk strategy. If you want flexibility and faster earning cycles, Swagbucks is usually the better option. If you prefer a simple system with fewer distractions, InboxDollars can still work, but expect slower progress. Another important factor is user experience. Swagbucks feels more like a full rewards platform, while InboxDollars feels more like a task-based earning app. John might prefer Swagbucks if he likes switching between activities, while someone else might prefer InboxDollars for simplicity. To quickly summarize, Swagbucks offers more ways to earn, faster payout flexibility, and better variety. InboxDollars offers simplicity but fewer earning paths and slower accumulation. If this helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which app you are using, and subscribe for more honest comparisons that help you earn smarter online.